Hello, this is Sandy, the library assistant at Westminster High School Library. I know I sent this PowerPoint out to you teachers and staff, but I'm hoping this screencast will help those that either didn't receive it or need a little more assistance. This is how to create an account in the Destiny Library Catalog. First of all, when you have the students do this project, have them log into their Chromebooks. What this does is it saves the passwords when they do create their account, and then you don't have to constantly go, what's my password? Then they'll know it. So have them go to Google, their Google Chrome account, and they're going to either put in whslions.net and search academics and library on the website, or they can go to the direct link. So here's how to do that. Let me see where the website is. Okay. So you go WHS oh, that's not going to be on the screen, .net, advanced, ignore that. I don't know why it keeps doing that. We are under academics and library. And there we are. There's the Westminster High School site, the library site. So after that, you can click on this link, Destiny Library Catalog, or this. They're both linked. And there we are. We're at Westminster. We click on our school. And now you look around for what we need to do. Let me try to move this over. Okay, so notice on the front of this, there's also some amazing links in here. See our book blog and other resources I've gathered. But let's focus on what we're doing here. We're mainly doing, I want you to log in. Now, in this case, this is cool. They just started this year. You sign in with Google, have the student click that. And then they'll pick their just like mine is on here, their email address will be on there already, especially if they signed in their Chromebook. All right, so now, it didn't work. Well, it didn't work for me because I've already got an account. All right, so when they open it up, here's the page again, the whole website with all the tabs. Now they're only going to have 4 tabs. They're going to have home, dashboard, catalog, and my info. They might have circulation. Oh, so anyway, and this is the catalog right here. Now, once you're in the catalog, that's a whole nother video, but there is a few things I want you to notice before I end this. Change it to just Westminster, you change it to the district. This allows the student to look for books all over district. So if you're going to put in a book, it will tell us, click on title because I put in title, it tells us who has it. There's 0 of 11 at Westminster locally and 9 of 41 district wide. So can the student or you get this book? Yes. Click on it. And there's the call number, and they can put it on hold right here.